topic is LCM, and we are going to find LCM by doing the visual method. Suppose we have to find the LCM of number 2, 4 and 6, and we have to get the number 1 at the last. So first we will write here number 2, and now we will divide 2 by 2, we will get number 1. When we divide 4 by 2, we will get number 2. And when we divide number 6 by 2, we'll get number 3. Now we have to check that is any numbers here which can be divided by 2. So yes, here is number 2 which can be divided by 2. So we will write here 2. Now we get number 1 here, so we'll simply write here number 1. When we divide 2 by 2, we'll get number 1. But 3 cannot be divided by 2, so we'll write here number 3. Now again we have to check that is any number is here which can be divided by 2. So no, here is not any number which can be divided by 2. So we'll write here number 3 because here is number 3. We get number 1 here, so we'll write here number 1 simply. And when we divide 3 by 3, we'll get 1. As we get number 1 at the last, we have to stop here. And these are the factors which we have to multiply. So here we will write 2 into 2 into 3. It will give us 12. So the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Now let's take some other examples. Suppose we have to find the LCM of number 5, 8 and 10. So first we will check that is any numbers here which can be divided by 2. So yes, here is 8 and 10 which can be divided by 2. So we'll simply write here number 2. Now 5 cannot be divided by 2, so we'll simply write here number 5. When we divide 8 by 2, we'll get number 4. And when we divide number 10 by 2, we'll get number 5. Now again here we have to check that is any numbers here which can be divided by 2. So yes, here is number 4 which can be divided by 2. So we'll simply write here 2. Now again 5 cannot be divided by 2. So we'll write here 5. When we divide 4 by 2, we'll get number 2. When we divide 5 by 2, we cannot. So we'll simply write here 5. Now again we have to check that is any number is here which can be divided by 2. So yes, 2 is here and 2 can be divided by 2. So we'll simply write here 2. Now again 5 cannot. So we'll write here 5. When we divide 2 by 2, we'll get number 1. 5 cannot. So we will write here 1. 5. Now we have to check that is any number is here which can be divided by 2. So no, here is not any number which can be divided by 2. So we'll simply write here 5 because here is 5. Now when we divide 5 by 5, we'll get 1. Here already 1 is written, so we'll write here 1. And yeah. So these are the factors which we get, and now we have to multiply them. We'll write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So we'll get number 40. So the LCM of 5, 8 and 10 is 40.